Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is the 21st of June, 2021, 3:26 p.m. Eastern Time. Happy Monday. Taking a look at Bitcoin real quick. Again, I'm an overall big time, not overall, I'm a major cryptocurrency bull. No matter what, I'm always like, if you tell me, am I bullish over a year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 100 years? Yeah, I'm a bull. But I'm a trader too, and I like to make money on both sides of the market. And when I see it's definitely due for the corrective move, that's the way I trade. I mean, I still dollar cost average, and I still buy on big dips, which is one that we have coming up here. And so, what are we looking at coming? Ever since the middle of last month, I've really been kind of repeating the same story over and over. It seems that there's a break below 32 to 33K is going to initiate some type of big move south back into the 20K zone, to the 20,000s somewhere. Now, and I'm just going to keep repeating this every day because sometimes that's all I can do. I know that can get monotonous, especially for those of you who are loyal viewers. And by the way, I love seeing our channel grow here and get bigger and bigger. It's a lot of fun. Love your guys' compliments, and I'm happy that people are finding value with this information, and that it's a void of a lot of the stupid crap that you see on a lot of channels that provide this kind of info. The volume profile, horizontal bars here, for those who don't know what that means. Horizontal measures of volume measure how much of something was traded at a certain price. So for trading, this is hugely important because it tells us where the participation has been. Vertical volume bars are important, but they're not as important to me as a trader as these horizontal levels. And the point here that I'm making is that these levels represent strength. The ones that stick out a lot, they're called high volume nodes. And then the ones where you see not a lot of stuff traded, are low volume nodes. And the theory is that, let's say Bitcoin was trading down here at this node, okay? And the theory is that if Bitcoin were to break above 19,000, 20,000, then you see this wide open space here that it should be very, very easy for it to move to the next high volume node, which is right up here towards that 23K zone. All right. And then if it breaks above this area, then it's a very easy move to the next high volume node. Okay. So it's like a vacuum. Price gets sucked through these low volume zones, these low volume nodes, into the next high volume node. And if we measure these volume areas as areas of support and resistance, which they also are, then this is what it tells us. That right now, Bitcoin, and just think about it this way, is it easier, according to the volume profile, to move higher or lower? If Bitcoin moves up, do the horizontal bars, do these nodes, do these price levels, do they get longer or shorter? They get longer the higher we move up. Tells us that it's harder to move higher. They get lower the lower we go. And so what we've seen this weekend and into the Monday trade is that as Bitcoin has gotten lower, it is much easier to push it lower. And it kind of is a situation that just kind of exacerbates itself. And eventually, probably with a crack of 31,000, a move below that, we'll see some type of very fast move to test the next level here at between 24,000 and 27,000. We've remained below the 50% level for a while. The 618 is at 28,000, 29,000 even, but that might not hold either. The 786 retracement is right on that 25K zone. So, that's where I would anticipate a lot of support to come in the meantime. But then below that, we get the 18K zone. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at prices to continue to drop here. Tomorrow's analysis, we'll look at some more things intraday, possibly, to see if there's any areas to look at getting in short on a retracement at all. But otherwise, this is what's happening, and be careful. Things move fast here, and a move south is going to happen very quickly. When it does, it's going to be very fast. It'll be one of those. it might be one of those flash crash moments where it just goes from 32K to 23K in less than an hour, and then that becomes the new bottom, and we start to slowly trudge our way back up to new all-time highs. That's kind of what I see happening here. So from all this here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.